How to create MetaMask wallet online. MetaMask wallet can be downloaded for your Chrome extension. Also, it's available for your iOS and Android devices. Here are the supported browsers aside from Chrome. We have Firefox, Brave, Edge, and Opera. And we are assuming that you're looking for a quick tutorial regarding MetaMask and already did some research, due diligence around this. Well, basically, we will do that right now. Once you are in the MetaMask website, that's metamask.io, we have the download button here right away. And then we are in the same page earlier. We will click this install MetaMask for Chrome. Make sure that you are in the Chrome if you're looking for an extension for your Chrome browser. I'll click this. And just in case that you already downloaded this and have it installed or it's already in your extension, you will see this remove from Chrome. I can remove this anytime as well. So I'll click remove and then I can close this one. Now we can go back from step 1 wherein it should be the one you're seeing. Add to Chrome. It's just going to be quick. And then I'll click add extension and it should be downloading here. You will see this CRX file. Once it's fully downloaded, it should show up here. But don't forget to pin the MetaMask icon here on the right hand side by clicking this one and then click this pin. It's already here. So every time I want to access MetaMask, I can just click here and then either log in or explore MetaMask further. And to begin, we can either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. I'll check this first. By the way, you can further read terms of use before you proceed. This is how it looks like. Now, in this video, we will focus on create a new wallet. But if you want to import an existing wallet, we have another tutorial video for that in case you're interested. Now, I'll click this create new wallet. You can share your usage data for MetaMask. It will be used for improving MetaMask. Again, you can agree this or maybe no thanks. Now we will set a password. What is this for? The password for this is just for the local device you're using. If you will import your wallet to another MetaMask extension or other device, you wouldn't use password for that. Instead, the recovery phrase, which we will further discuss later. But for now, for this MetaMask installation or MetaMask extension, I will create the password now. Later on, I will show you and it will make more sense what's the usage of the password in the first place. Now I have the password. I can show this just to double check that this is the right password or this is my preferred password. I'll click this. I'll hide this by the way and then click create a new wallet. You can watch this video, but basically what it says is already down here. Your recovery phrase, it's a 12-word phrase. It's like your master key. Once you lose it, it means that you're losing your wallet, you're losing your funds. You cannot retrieve this anymore. Say that you want to contact MetaMask, their support, and then you say that I forgot my 12-word phrase is, they cannot retrieve that for you. So what you need to do is right now, make sure that you save a copy of your secret recovery phrase, either in a password manager or you have a deposit box. You can write it down as well. This is just other recommendations, but if you have other methods of securing the backup copy when you write it down, you can do so. But again, once it's compromised, it means that your wallet and your funds are also compromised. And as I mentioned earlier, MetaMask cannot retrieve the 12-word phrase for you. Hence, if someone is asking you what your recovery phrase is, do not ever give it. MetaMask will never ask for it. And if you're being asked whether they're pretending to be a representative from MetaMask, don't believe it. It just simply means that they are trying to scam you. Now I'll click this secure my wallet. By default, it's hidden. I'll click this reveal secret recovery phrase. The secret recovery phrase is not just a completion of words, but instead it should be in the proper order whenever you want to recover this or open this in another device or another MetaMask extension that you just installed. You can copy this clipboard anytime. And right now, I will just paste it in my notepad. Why? Because in the next step, we need to confirm that we have or we fully know what are our secret recovery phrase. I'll just complete this very quick. For the third, it's hobby. For the fourth word, it's gadget. And then for the 8th, which is after paper, where is it? This one, country. I'll just paste it over here. Oops. I'll just paste it again here. It should be set now. It's not enabled yet. Let me just double check if I did it correctly. Cache it after. I don't know what happened, but when I type it manually, the hobby, now the confirm button is enabled. You might experience the same issue, but you can just type it manually instead of pasting it from your copy, like for me from the notepad. And then now it's enabled, we can confirm this. And successful. Another set of reminders here, which is basically the same as what we've mentioned earlier. I'll click this, got it, and install complete. I'll just click this next, and we're done. Right away, you'll see this. I'll just enable this alerts. And whenever I want to open MetaMask, I'll just go to this right-hand side or in my extension. Close this for now. And here are the transactions or the options that we can do here in MetaMask. We can either buy and sell directly. So if you do not want to buy in an exchange instead directly in your MetaMask account, you can do so by clicking this buy and sell. Oops, I'll just click this, got it. You'll see this for the first time. And then once you're done with that, it shouldn't pop up anymore. Again, these are the transactions that you can do, buy and sell. You can also send it to other wallet address. Now, you can also swap. Say you want to swap your ETH to other coins, you can do so here. You also have an option to enable smart swaps. Here you can minimize transaction cost, reduce transaction failures, and a lot more here. And when it says smart swaps, it will submit your transaction privately. I'll close this or I'll click that. And if I want to swap, I'll just look for the token that I want to swap to, and I can proceed from there. I'll just close this. Now we can have the bridge as well. So what is this bridge? Basically, these are two different or two isolated networks. It's being bridged. So it's here. And I'm not sure if I fully explained that well, but basically this is what bridging blockchain network is. Now here's what it looks like. What network? Here it is. Then you can follow the next steps. Now, let's go back here in MetaMask. I'll close this again. You can also access your portfolio. Down here, we have tokens. By default, we have Ethereum, but if you want to add new tokens, click this import tokens. Say you want to import stablecoin like USDT. I'll just click this one and then click next, click import, and it's here now. I'll go back, it should be here. If I want to remove this, just go ahead and click and then click the three dots, hide USDT, and hide. If you want to import it again, you can do so, just what we did earlier. For NFTs, you can add it here, or you can also turn on your NFT detection in settings. For activity, any transactions that you did, it will show up here. Here on the top, you can copy your public address. You have also your balance here in ETH and also its equivalent in USD. In case you want to transfer to another network, just click this one and then look for the network, or you can add one. I'll close this. You can also have multiple accounts here. By default, it's account 1. If you click this, you can add account or hardware wallet here. Now for the three dots, from here you can lock your MetaMask. This is where you can use your password. Say that you know that someone might access your laptop or computer, but you don't want to remove the MetaMask extension. You can just log out and then just log in with your password once you're ready to access it again. I'll click unlock, and now we're logged in. I'll click this again. I can view my account on Explorer. Also check this account details. I can show my private key, and it will ask for my password, but I wouldn't do that for now. Basically, that's just it. You can further explore the other options here, the settings, the support, the snaps. And in case you're interested for other step-by-step tutorial guide about MetaMask, we have that in the playlist here. You can just look for the specific video that you are curious about.